everyone, and welcome back to Mrs. English Flow channel. I'm Lily, and I'm very happy that you're joining us today.
And I'm David. Thank you for spending a few minutes with us. We hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are.
Before we start, we'd like to ask you a simple question. How are you today?
And where are you listening from? Let us know in the comments because we love hearing from our listeners around the world.
Today's topic is something that almost every English learner experiences at some point.
That's right. Many people tell us, I can understand English when I watch videos or listen to podcasts, but I can't speak English confidently.
If you feel the same way, don't worry. You're definitely not alone.
In today's episode, we're going to talk about why this happens and what you can do to start speaking more naturally.
Let's begin with a simple question. Why can you understand English, but still struggle to speak it?
One reason is that understanding and speaking are different skills. They work together, but they develop in different ways.
Think about learning to ride a bicycle. You can watch videos about cycling and understand how it works, but you won't become good at it until you actually ride the bike.
Speaking English is very similar. You improve by speaking, not only by listening.
Many learners spend months watching English content every day.
And that's great because listening helps you learn vocabulary, pronunciation, and sentence patterns.
However, if you never use those words yourself, your speaking ability grows very slowly.
Another common problem is the fear of making mistakes.
Many learners create a sentence in their minds and then stop because they think it isn't perfect.
But perfection isn't necessary for communication. Native speakers make mistakes too.
The goal is not to speak perfectly. The goal is to express your ideas clearly.
Let's look at a simple example. Imagine someone asks you about your weekend.
You don't need a complicated answer. You can simply say, I stayed home, watched a movie, and relaxed with my family.
That's a simple answer, but it's natural and effective.
Here's another tip. Try speaking English to yourself for 5 minutes every day.
You can talk about your plans, your work, your studies, or even the things you see around you.
For example, you could say, I'm making coffee right now. After that, I'm going to study English for 30 minutes.
This exercise may feel strange at first, but it helps you become more comfortable with speaking.
Another useful technique is shadowing.
Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it immediately after the speaker.
Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as closely as possible.
This method helps you sound more natural and improves your fluency.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am improving my English every single day.
Great, now repeat this one. I don't need perfect English to have a conversation.
Excellent job.
Remember that confidence comes from action. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Many learners think confident people speak first because they are confident.
In reality, they became confident because they practiced speaking many times.
Even 5 or 10 minutes of speaking practice every day can create noticeable progress after a few weeks.
Small improvements may not seem important today, but they become powerful over time.
So what did we learn today?
First, understanding English and speaking English are different skills.
Second, you need regular speaking practice if you want to become a confident speaker.
Third, don't wait until your English is perfect before you start speaking.
Use simple sentences, practice every day, and allow yourself to make mistakes.
Every conversation is a learning opportunity.
Before we finish, we'd like to ask you a question.
What is the biggest challenge you face when speaking English?
Is it vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, or confidence?
Share your answer in the comments. We'd love to read your responses.
Thank you so much for listening to Mrs. English Flow channel.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English every day.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye, and have a wonderful day.